Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see, after entering this option, right in the middle we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So we can see that I've been using it for 1 hour and 37 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Under it you've got the unlocks and the notifications count, and basically you can check some further details, and you've got two different ways to do that. So you can tap directly inside the graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the whole screen time divided between the days. So for example, you can check the Monday that I've been using this device for 5 hours, and for example the Saturday for 26 minutes. So this is how it works. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it we've got all apps listed with particular time of the usage. So for example, I've been using the phone for 6 minutes, and the Chrome for 2 minutes. So this is how it works. That was the first way. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings. And again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is directly connected to the settings, and we can check the usage of the screen time or the notifications received, times opened, and from daily to hourly. So basically this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.